Hello everybody, this is En route, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about destiny swapping. This video is here to debunk destiny swapping with logic and probably the Bible. So, why destiny swapping is not possible? The reason why most of the time the whole destiny swapping thing fails is because it's based off of hearsay. And usually these whole destinies that are shown to the enemy or shown to the person that wants to swap destinies with you they're shown your so-called destiny by demons, not God. God doesn't just go around giving giving information to pointless pursuits, that are just going to harm people or whatever. And so people go around wasting their time trying to steal destinies they don't even know are actually true or false. Okay? And it's not only that. Another logical reason for why destiny swapping cannot work is because destiny swapping is destined to the person born at the specific day, time, hour, second as you were. It was supposed to be at the time for you. It's your destiny. If somebody that's 50 years old wants to steal the destiny of a 25-year-old, that's not possible because they were born in different eras, which means they have different knowledge, different life experiences, and there's no way that the person trying to steal someone's destiny at this age, this older age, or the younger age, even vice versa. There's no way because they don't have the knowledge or the wisdom for that era to have the destiny that God chose for that specific era. That's why destiny swapping doesn't work. Even if it's your sister or brother, they cannot steal your destiny because their destiny is their destinies and yours is yours. Okay? There's no destiny swapping. God does not grant that power to some mere mortal witch. Okay? And so going into the Bible, which I've, made this statement before. I forgot his name. I forgot all the characters' name, right? We'll just give them new names, okay? John, Mary, and Barbara. Yeah. All right. So John is married to Mary, and Mary has not become pregnant yet. And an angel comes to them and says, you will have a child at a certain time, at the destined time, at the appointed time, okay? And your child must be born at this appointed time, because if it is born before or after that appointed time, the events will not fall into place in a way that it will actually complete the destiny that I have bestowed upon this soul, okay? So that, from the Bible, okay, what happened is John and Mary got impatient. John wanted an heir, so he went and got Barbara. He was like, yo, Barbara, hey, I need to use your womb to create an heir, please. And she was like, all right, cool, pay for my life. And, that was it. Barbara had a bunch of kids, and, she laughed at Mary and stuck her tongue at her and said, ha ha, I had kids and you can't, right? Boom. A few years go by, Mary gets pregnant because now it is the appointed time. And who was born? I don't know. I forgot. Was it Abraham? I don't know. Somebody important was born. But he was the very important person born. He was born at the specific time to deal with a specific kingdom or whatever the case might be, right? And so what I'm saying is that this destiny swapping shit that I see all over the place is logically, okay, and God is logical. And if the more people understand why I'm so, I guess, God-based, right, in the way I approach things, is because he's more logical, or our God is more logical, whether it's a he, a him, a her, a they, whatever the hell. It's more logical than everybody actually thinks, right? So you can't swap destinies no matter how hard you try. You could probably kill somebody or whatever the case might be, right? but you can't steal somebody's destiny, okay? And even if you try to kill them, if it's not their time, usually it will backfire on the individual whose destiny is not, if they have not actually answered any calls or whatever the case might be, depending on where they stand in the whole spiritual hierarchy, right? So again, if you believe, it's your belief that makes things what they are. And you should just believe in the Most High. And that's it. The creator of the universe, the Most High. Not Lucifer, Satan, some demigod, some Elohim that exists at a lower vibration than the true Most High. So anyways, no one can take your destiny. This is En route, and we're out.